Too slow. Oh, is Callie gone? She's gone, but I can still go after her water bowl, which I've done twice, and spilt everything. Callie, you gone? Good, I'm gonna get your stuff. Here he goes. We gotta say goodbye to the water bowl over here, because oh, he's tired. Okay, say bye-bye. Hi, buddy. Colin. Hi.